Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will telling you guys how to handle refunds in Teachable. The link to the Teachable will be in the description below. Let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So this will be going to be a step-by-step guide. So the step 1 is to navigate your sales dashboard. First thing first, log into your Teachable admin area. Look over the left hand side over here and click on the sales tab. Just go ahead and click on the sales tab and then select transactions from the drop down menu. Let's wait a little bit till it's load up, and here you will see transactions in the drop down menu. So at the moment I don't have any transactions, but if the transaction has have a reference, you will see it over here. This is the main hub where every single payment made to your school is recorded. So step 2 is to locate the student's transaction. uh, we have already accessed the transaction page. If you have a lot of sales scrolling through this, the list will take forever. Instead, use the search bar. It will show up over here, but right now I don't have any transactions, so it won't show up. But that's something that you can always check up. Either you can track it with the transaction ID or email address that will pull up the details of that specific transaction. Open the transaction detail, process the refund. Inside those transaction details, look for the refund button. When you click it, pop-up menu window will appear depending on your payment gateway, and you'll be able to simply refund it from there. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.